first and foremost, we must thank our local MLA, Babu, for calling us here for this meeting, because we are all thinking in the same directions. We should be on the same page when we are doing all this. So, Tanche suggestion actually that the landing of that ramp should come right at this junction, which in fact I do not recommend, because this is already a busy junction. So, our proposal actually that if the ramp goes slightly towards the police station side, it will help. First and foremost. And second thing is, width consider केलो जाल्यार तो आमी practically पळोवपाक आयिल्ले हांगा whether the ramp is possible without causing any sacrifice to the existing system. But there are suggestions that existing system is a well-planned city of Vasco, and we did not touch it. So the second option is, when we are going to construct this, there was a suggestion that the traffic should be taken via Swatantra Path, which we do not recommend, because heavy traffic, if it goes on a very narrow stretch of Swatantra Path, it is going to create a big problem for us. So all the suggestions will be putting together, and as Dajibab has already said, I mean, सगळे बसून जर कितें ते एक solution काडटले. So we have to consider other various factors which are affecting this proposal also, and accordingly we will take a decision.
One is that already near MPT ground there is an up and down ramp which is under construction, so that could be considered as an exit from Vasco City. Number one. Number two, I have also given an alternative suggestion from berth number 11 up to Tibikuna Chowk, which could be a alternative alignment for this exit ramp. Both will be considered. If some third thing, and also now a suggestion has come that the ramp lands in the IOC, in the oil tanks pump. So that is a third alternative which has come. So all this will be considered, and the technical feasibility will be looked at, and the final decision will be taken, I'm sure, in the best interest of us. I must thank Taji for inviting us over and taking our opinion also. This is like a development by consent, so he's taking all the people into confidence, which is to be appreciated. We have, on my personal capacity, I have already expressed my concerns, and I have given some alternative suggestions as to how. We are not against the exit from Vasco City. Only the question is regarding the alignment. So we have given some alternatives also, which we will discuss in course of time, and whatever is best suited for the city of Vasco will be worked out, I'm sure. Next thing is, I feel that everybody should be taken into confidence. We have got our municipal council, we have got PDA, we have got so many other, we have got businessmen from Vasco. So everybody should be taken into confidence, and by consent the project should be developed. That is my only request.
Sorry, Bobby. In their office we had gone, and सगळे आमी on paper पळयल्लें. So today we told them that you all show us practically on field how much length कितें मेळटा. आज DYSP आयिल्लो, सगळे all officials were there. धर्मेश चांगले आयिल्लो. We invited Savi also, Sanjay Redkar also, Vaskokar, who are into now म्हणजे आमच्या खातीर बरें कितें तें एक चिंतपा खातीर सगळ्या खातीर. So we have involved everybody. We have seen the dimensions. आमकां जाय तशें हांगा dimensions मेळटात. You go to see, but DYSP of traffic is also little practical that हांगा मातसो traffic block जावंक शकता. So we are other options also through Tibikuna Chowk Teutitlan. We are all exploring all options. And त्या खातीर आमी एक joint meeting with CM we will be taking very shortly. Chairman, MPT चा गेमान बिमान सगळ्यांक घेवन we will see what is best for the city. आमकां बेश्टच घाले पण हांवें पयलेंय सांगलां तुमकां, we will not go blindly based on paper this thing. Practicality पळोवपा जाय. So we will see all the options which are there and which is best suited for Vasco. We will adopt that.
सध्या तुका कितले ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह हे तांणी दिल्ले आसा म्हणजे लोकांनी?
आमकां 2-3 ऑल्टरनेटिव्स मेळ्ळ्या. हाजे शिवाय एक IOC कडल्यान भितरल्यान घेवप, एक TB कडल्यान घेवप, आनी कांयच फिजिबल ना जाल्यार देन वी वील ट्राय टू सी हाव बेस्ट वी कॅन एडजस्ट दीस सिस्टम. पूण हे सगळे वी वील टेक ऑल स्टेक होल्डर्स इंटू कन्सिडरेशन. सगळे पार्किंग, गर्दी कितली जाता, आमचो DYSP आसा, हू इज अ वास्कोकार in fact. So आज सगळे we are getting together and we will see. म्हणजे फुडें त्रास जावपाक ना. एकदां बांदून जातकूच मोडपा मागीर तो इट इज डिफिकल्ट. सो बांदचे पयलींच खंयच कोणाक त्रास जायना, ट्रॅफिकाक त्रास जायना, पब्लिकेक त्रास जायना, अशें करून we will find out a good solution and come back.